everyone, in this video I will share with you this beautiful handmade calendar that you can make easily in your home. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So here I have 12 pieces of cardstock. If you are not having a cardstock, then obviously you can use cartridge paper. So for hanging the calendar I need some holes, and for that I have a puncher and I will punch little holes on the paper. So these are the papers I have hold on all of them. So here I have Camel's cake color, the paper on which I will draw, and 3 brushes. So here I will start coloring. So if you are not confident on directly coloring on paper, then obviously you can draw something with pencil and then color it. I am confident, so I am using this technique. If you are not confident, obviously you can go and draw something with pencil and then color it. So here I am using Camel's brush pen to write January. So I am not good at calligraphy fonts, but I am trying over here. So please do not judge me. So I have completed with all the papers. As you can see, this is looking very beautiful and pretty. So now I will start writing the dates. I will use a CD marker and my phone. I will mark all the dates. Now I will take Camel's red brush pen and I will mark all the Sundays and Saturdays like this. Now I have a heart puncher. If you are not having this, you can skip this step. I will punch a heart at the corner like this, and this is looking so pretty. And I have punched hearts on all of them. So I have a jute thread and I will start assembling. So I will put the jute thread through the hole that I have punched earlier like this. And then tie a knot on the upper portion. Leave a jute thread little more so that you can just fold the calendar like this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but don't do it, makes me sad. And if you are new here, hey, I am Ushoshi. I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then do appreciate me by subscribing to my channel, and hitting the bell icon will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye, and yes, I love you all.